sila, may Locus. Locus pa okay. Pati, root bound.
Let's go north, boss. Let's go north.
Fast forward.
Follow me. Yeah, dismount. Ready, boys. Spread.
Cooldown sila.
Yeah. Be careful over the wall, Fight yan, boys. Tell me if you
getting kidnapped?
bait
Yo,
yung
G.
defensive side. Tell me if na-bait yung defensive. Yo, calm down. Yo, ready. Yo, ready. Yo, defend. Nice defense. Yo, ready to counter. Walk in. DPS walk in on them. Ready, engage on top of me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on me. Nice.
Wow.
Oh, GG.
There you go, baby.
Come back, please. Don't chase. GG kill.
Loan me.
1-0.
You're 1 HP.
GG yan,
They're
GG.
legit 1 HP.
Bro, one engage? What the hell?
They said GG. I said GG.
That's embarrassing.
Logi talaga ang dito eh.
Hindi may wala. Kung ako yung naglaro dun.
Kahit anong mangyari, Logi talagang kahit.
Kahit anong mangyari, lugi talaga yung kahit build.
Kaya, don't trash.
Lugi talaga sa
Don't trash talk, please.
Bro,
Oo,
we're literally same guild, bro.
Kaso parang wala ko nandito.
guild!
I mean,
Kasi
they,
pag-pop na-
they still
pag-pop
should
na
have.
defensive
They
yun, wala
should still survive first engage. So.
Good defensives, boys. Yo, spread again. Be careful
Right,
over
yung
the walls.
color.
Be
Tandaan nyo yung
careful over the
color. Si G lang man nandun eh.
Pasukin niyo muna sila.
Be careful and choke, be careful and choke.
Yeah, be careful, boys. Over the
Careful.
wall, kahit over the wall tayo hindi. Okay? Be careful.
Sure.
Okay. So be careful. DPS, don't stock up, please. Spread. Try to bait their defensives, please. Look on Marnie.
Wait, don't jump up.
Yeah, don't clamp up.
Careful and choke, careful and choke.
Oh, yeah, walk in southeast. Walk in southeast.
Careful.
Be careful. Nagkita tayo, be careful. Look southwest. Walk in southwest. Ready, on top of me, southwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southwest again. Southwest. Na-silent tayo. Yo, keep rolling now. Yo, ready. Okay, ready defensive, boys. Ready defensive.
Green cross.
Yo, wait, be careful the stairs.
Back.
Be careful.
Engage na.
Travis inside. Yo, engage. Yo, come down the stairs. Ready, on top of me again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on top of me. This is huge. Delete this. More damage, boys. More damage. They sustain. Iyo, come back. Don't follow the stairs. Don't fuck the stairs. Come back. Kiss on doubles inside. Brawl inside. Yo, kill these brawlers. Northeast. Look at them northeast. Follow them.
GG. They said GG.
GG. Don't hit.
They said GG.
Yeah, don't hit. Yo, mount up again.
Kaya yung mga
Yeah.
na nakasasunod sa harap mo, instant thermite, pala mo din punish agad.
Okay.
Kasi extended tapos walang direct down, walang cooldown. Skill.
Okay. Sige, try natin. Balik tayo dun sa,
One top.
Hindi guys, kapag nagpalit tayo ng roles, tayo naging kahit tayo mahirapan.
Pwede naman mamaya tayo. Pwede tayo kahit mamaya. Pwede tayo kahit mamaya.
Sige, try natin.
Ako magko-comp ng atin. Kailangan na naka-praise kit eh.
Careful and choke again, careful.
Yo, be careful boys. Please play this like you're in the block zone.
Careful and choke.
Pag namatay kayo, patay kayo, walang regear. Isipin nyo na lang ganun. Just hold. Be careful. Spread again. They can go over the walls, okay? We're gonna engage on Marnie kapag nag-GN na siya. Wait. Look on Marnie. Wait. Just wait. Use the double zone. Be careful, don't farm in
Engage na. Engage.
Engage.
5, 4, 3, 2, nag-GN. Roll Marnie. Marnie, naka-mark out. Yo, Marnie in the back, boys. Ito na,
I can
boys.
move.
Nag-boost na to. Ready.
It's good vision.
Yo, come back. Ready defensive. Marnie. Ready. Wait, tell me CD.
Ready.
Yo, come. Follow me. Wait. Come back. Nag-J. Wait. Uy, nag-clock. Yo, come down the stairs, Pass. Ready on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's huge. Come back. Don't follow them up the stairs. CDN. Yo, bro,
Turning.
Just roll. Yeah.
Wala na engage. We can
Walk
walk
up now. Walk up.
Good.
Up the joke. Brawl. Ready, 10 seconds. 10 seconds swing. Wait. Come down the stairs now. Follow them down the stairs. You're ready. Wait, engaging defense on that. You're ready on top of us. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Good, GG.
1 on top of me. Tap, guys. Okay, brawl again, please. Brawl again. Brawl again.
Brawl.
Yo, heal.
Careful. DMCD.
GG daw.
Don't do.
Oh, another good clap, guys. Good job.
Hindi ko mahuli si Marnie, mama. Ang galing mag-defensives.
He's a good player, so
Para din na.
Uni, magano ko na lang, mag-root bound ko na lang.
Patayin niya yung pinapatay. Patayin niya yung please.
Okay.
Ayos ka mag-root bound, pre. Kita mo yan.
Ito naman kaya tayo manggaling para sila doon sa kabila. Ibang position.
Okay.
Doon sila sa taas.
Si, Unico.
Kapip ka.
Si, paano ka?
Kayo.
Pa-specs ka na ng ship, yan?
Shifter.
Oo, shifter.
bro, this comp is so much better for you guys.
Dapat mag-roll talaga dapat.
Brawl is fun, bro.
Yeah, never do kite again.
Be careful. Don't funnel in.
Careful din, Joe.
He's being kidnapped.
Engage.
Walk in now.
Si Marnie nasa likod si Marnie sa likod.
Yeah. Be careful. Hey, you're already on top of us.
Where the backline?
3, 2, 1.
Jay gamay.
Yo, brawl. Brawl. Spread and brawl, please. Spread and brawl. Ready defensive. They can engage inside. Be careful.
They have
Ready fast.
CDs, they have CDs.
Pass. Defend.
Defend ako, defend.
Nice defensive. 10 seconds to engage. Brawl. Just brawl inside. Ready, 5 seconds to engage. Walk northwest.
Nice Jay.
Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's huge again, boys. Nag-GA tayo. Yeah, keep
They have engaged.
Ready defend.
They have engaged now.
Yo, spread. Defend. Nice defense. Brawl again. 10 seconds to engage.
They're silent.
Come southeast. Walk southeast. Yo, tanks, hold them.
Nice Jay.
Yo, they're engaged. Yo, ready. Find the crown. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just on this, guys.
Yo, who you?
Yes,
Astro.
Oh my god, my damage. Where's my damage? Yo, defend. Yo, spread, boy.
Sorry.
Spread. Can we still engage? Tell me.
Yosun, who you? Now. Yosun, who you?
10 seconds to engage. Yo, come south.
Ready.
Come southeast. Find the crown. You're ready on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is all of them. More damage. Oh my god.
Can follow up still.
Heal. Brawl again. Brawl inside. Brawl. Be careful, they can engage. Wall. 10 seconds to engage. Keep rolling. Ditang hold them. May I see Chubby. Already on the stairs.
Inside the club.
On the stairs. Drop damage on the stairs. Nice damage. Yo, defend. Nice. Heal.
Yo, I'm gonna drop Judy here, so stay heals here. Heals on the choke.
Champion me.
They're engaged. Be careful.
Heals on the choke.
Yo, they're walking in.
Ready.
Ready defend. Nice hold. Yo, wait.
Champion armor.
Yo, ready. Headbutt. Yeah, on the G. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the G. This is huge. Good damage. Oh my god. My damage is not sick, boys. Don't drop your E's. Yo, brawl again. Spread and brawl. Yo, heals on the D-tanks. Heal the front, please. Kiss brawl. Kiss
Wala na ata. GG ka na ata.
Yeah,
GG ka na. DPS na to.
Wala tayong
GG
DPS.
mo. Bigay mo GG.
Call GG.
1-0. Isa lang. Bawi tayo.
Call GG.
Gusto mana.
Bro, I ran out of mana. Like I said, if the fight lasts longer, we run out of mana.
Pasabi nga, para we can reset.
Tayo regroup.
Tayo, Gino.
Regroup tayo. Wala na pala akong DPS na.
Heals, heals.
Wala ako na lang.
Natap,
Engage, siguro.
Ayan nga, hindi na kasabay. Off cooldown na bala.
natap kami. Dapat ano, yung...
Hindi, natap yung ano mo. Sa
Yung
engage.
ditang, yung ditang mag-fill. Pag bababa tayo, mag-fill kayo dun sa anong sa
Okay, si ano na lang mag-hold ng ano ka. Uyo, ditang ka. Si dito si mama yung mag-hold ng paklam ko.
Mag-assign ka ng ano, mag-assign ka ng fill.
Wait, already?
Tama, tama.
Wag mo na. Heals.
Heal muna, heal muna. Heal haya. Okay, ready na boys? Red again. Please don't get caught. Red lang, spread and roll. Kiss na bills, Spread, para hindi kayo mag-GA. Spread. Be careful, they're looking. You already countered. 5, 4, 3, 1, counter
Hey,
5.
kami, Jay.
Oh, we got GA, we got GA.
Okay. Yo, spread and roll inside. Dito ang sound lead. Yung mga nasa loob nyo. Don't go down the choke, please. Don't go down the choke.
Heals on Loki. Heals on Loki.
Heals, please, boys. Heals.
Ila.
Heals. Ready, they can engage. Be careful, don't panel in the choke. They can engage.
They engage.
Engaging. You're already walking now.
They're silent. They're silent.
Okay, GA burn. GA down.
Yeah, walking. Ready, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. On top of me. More damage. Oh my god. Nasusustain na nila. Yung kumak na may kababa.
Yung heals on Haya.
Come back sa atin.
Can we drop a Judy for the backliner, no? Judy for the
Yeah,
backline.
peel. They can engage again, ha? They can engage. Yo, stay.
Nice.
Ready, tell me CD. Bro,
Ready.
Sunables. 5 seconds to engage. Yo, ready. Come southeast.
Oh, heals on Dol. Heals on...
You're ready on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, this is all of them. Nice clap, boys. Nice damage. Be careful on the stairs. Don't come up the stairs, please. Yo, don't follow them up the stairs, boys. We can engage, ha? Be careful. Come down the stairs. You have to stay in your steps.
Yo, I can't heal now.
Yo, okay,
Too far.
please. Boys, don't chase too far. Masyado malayo yan. Ayun, nag-engage yan sa inyo. Bro, I'm
So,
taking...
no more engage.
Zombie ipit sa kanila.
GG.
Huwag nyo na bully ng get malayo, boys, please. Too far. I know brain dead ko, pero let's try to play kung ano sinasabi ng caller, please. Yung mga tap, baka wala sa space dito. Tap.
Actually, wait, what they're doing is okay. Brawlers can dive deep, but we know for a fact that we can't save it, right? If you can dodge it, if you can blink, why not?
Pag nag-engage sa inyo, I don't think-
Paya.
Yeah.
Pagka-engage nila kasi hintayin mo muna yung root down.
Yeah, inaantay ko din yung GA nila kasi nag-GA nga, di ba?
Mag-fake ka
Just
muna.
walk in lang kapag...
Yo,
Ayan na, nag-engage na.
Nice clear.
Walk na, nag-GA. Yung on the GA. 5, 4, 3, off, nag-GA tayo. Wait, come back na. CD. Come up the stairs. Don't go down. Hold on. Just stay.
Let's play. Kidnap that team. Kidnap.
Just establish, boys. Wait,
They have engage, by the way. They have engage. Here.
Yeah. Be careful of the stairs, boys. GA, nice GA. Wait. Marnie's looking.
Uy!
Magda-W ako just to fake. Nice, na-fake na. No east na, may east tayo. Walk up.
Engage,
Ready,
engage
on top
na.
of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on top of me now. Where's the damage?
Yo,
Finish.
we need Judy on the back line for the heal.
Come back na. Don't chase.
Can we drop Judy?
Don't chase. Come down, southwest.
Okay, nice Judy.
Southwest, boys. Yo, look at me. Asa na kayo lahat? Look at the front.
Boys, your color is not on your screen, bro. Chill.
Come down.
CG, help G.
Oh my god.
Ila.
I think he's fine.
Oh my god. You're already on top of me. 5, 4, 3, counter. 2, 1.
You got GA. Your DPS got GA.
Kisabis. Yo, brawl. Be careful. They can engage. Yo,
Let me fly
look
inside.
at me fly inside, boys.
Look at that team. Okay, after soldier, kidnap.
Si Marnie.
Marnie.
Sartis. Ito.
3, 2, 1. On Marnie. Uy, kabaka. Tumagas. Magaling nga, guys. Yo, come back south, please.
Sa akin na
Oh
si
my
Marnie, ang
God.
hirap ulihin.
Yo, Smash Shell looking. Smash Shell is looking, guys. Smash Shell.
Oh my god,
Marshall is
bro, let's come back, please. Come back, please. Come back, please. Come back.
Nice.
Walk in now. Walk in now.
I said.
Pat.
Kills, Judy on the back line.
This is the play. Pat. No, ready. On top of
Ready.
it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top. Oh shit, na GA. Sabi. Kaba. Come back. Yo, they're engaging. Defend. Defend it. Come back. Come back. Base na nila to, boys. Come back.
Mag-GG ka na para ano.
We only lost
Hello.
one.
Sila napatay na sa atin eh. Comes out. Comes out, boys. Just comes out.
Sige, iwan naman sila, pre. Pagkain nila.
Smash Shell looking. Smash Shell looking.
Bro, ang layo ko
I
na
saved it. Easy
I'm 2
pass.
screens away from you, man.
They don't follow this engine, bro.
They're not following.
Oh my god, look at this.
Eto si Let Me, oh hello? Pwede to?
Mamaya, boys. Just regroup,
Eh,
please. Regroup. Ang iwalay
Balikin nyo muna sila dito. Wala
Yeah,
tayong
they're too
space.
close to their base. Kahit ba.
Mag-brawl guys, pero still isang tukabos. Ito ang
Oh
mangyari.
my god. Just hold.
Please na kasi yan eh. Pagka-cast, may heal sila.
Okay, round 2.
Okay, now here. Spread here. Wait. Just hold. Yo, they're
They're
looking.
looking.
Fake,
That's a
fake.
fake.
That's a fake.
Oh, we burned Dive Curse there.
Okay. Don't walk in yet. Don't walk in yet. Be careful. Look at let me fly. Bro, let me fly, please. Kanina pa yung nakakapasok sa atin, boys. Wait, be careful over the walls, oh.
Wait, can we let them come up here?
Oh, they're looking.
Yo, be careful. No counter.
Okay,
We don't counter.
that's fine.
Come west, boys. Up. Ew. Wait.
I think they full engaged that.
Yeah, it's a full engage. Look at Punch and let me. Kidnap.
4, 3, 2, 1, just inside. Just these two.
Yo,
Punch.
guys, kill.
Pinatan 6. Oh my
Lahat
god.
tao.
Walang tao. Man, oh my god. What is
Pero
this?
sa wait lang, parang mali yung ginagawa kasi natin. Yung mga flawless na nandun sa mga cab. Bro,
Ah,
parang yung sobrang di
Kaya
nila gusto
nga,
sila.
hindi naman tayo.
Masyado na kayo
Yo, Gilson,
nag-
who you now? Nice, good
Clear.
moves.
Wait lang.
Boys, please. Masyadong uga-buga ginagawa natin.
Pero men, yung ano nila, huli na namin yung backline. Like, siguro may 15 man, patay doon.
No, kasi I'm waiting for the GA. Kasi kapag nakita na nila ako nag-air compress, GA tayo ni Marnie eh. Look at Marnie. Brawl Marnie, please. Kiss na bill sa Marnie.
He's gonna blink.
Yo, they're engaging on me.
Nice,
Walk in. Ready. Walk in on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 up the choke.
Okay, GA burn.
GA na GA.
Okay, na GA. Nice. Brawl inside now. Come up the choke and brawl, please. Come up the choke and brawl. Brawl.
Kill Chombi. Nice.
Keep brawling. Nice fight.
They have engaged too. They have engaged too.
Nice, dead. Be careful on the choke now. Be
They have
careful.
engaged on the choke.
They're looking. Kiss na bills. They engage. You already walk up again. Walk up the choke. Ready, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. On top of me. More damage. Finish these skills. Nice skills. No, don't overchase. Base na
Base na to.
Base na yan, please. Base na yan. Oh my god.
Labas na.
GG na. Come on.
Naka-record ba ako? Putang ano daw naka-record. So,
I mean, more fights to go.
yung matagal pa, 6 minutes pa. Kaya tayo.
Like, can we...
Palitin natin sila. Dito naman sila sa taas.
Yeah.
Okay. Thumbs up, please.
Ito lang
Give the
tayo.
choke.
Oh, give nila. Hindi ba yung...
Kasi, kaya ang mga yan eh. Ano yan? Clap ang mga yan, clap. Pero mas maganda talaga na
dapat,
dito.
Oo, dapat dito naman sila. Side up.
Lilipat ba yan? Yung astral nyo. Ano meron?
Ay, din na lumipat eh.
Nagsosolo astral sa ano ba?
Dito ang mga kalaban.
What? Ano to? Hindi na ba? This month.
Oh,
Wala.
clap.
Yo, they're looking. Yo.
Spread.
Hindi. Lilipat na sila.
Okay.
They're going to the other side.
Sige, yan sila.
Ready na. Ready na ako eh.
Let's try it.
Binubog.
Ayaw nila i-hold yung joke dito.
Binubog. Fudge.
But you,
Baba tayo, baba. Let's baba.
yeah, yung come southwest.
Puro bleed si Pudge eh.
Ano ba tawag pilipin ni Lord?
Pinadugo eh. Dali lang.
Ready daw. Okay, spread now.
Brad nyo overextended. Brad nyo.
Yeah, kiss na bilis now. Yo, we're gonna play crazy again, okay? Crazy play, incoming. Yo, ready. Pass now inside.
Turning.
Pass
Okay.
and
Let's
going,
engage,
pass and
let's
going.
engage.
On top of me.
Sinasta,
Five, four,
Sinasta.
three, two, one, on top of me now,
Okay, kami.
JK, okay.
Okay, Jay done now.
Come inside now, come inside. Walk in on them. Yo, heels up front. Heels up front. Yo, ready.
They have engaged.
Yeah, oh, be careful now. Ready defensive. Yo, look at Smashel looking.
Marnie
Okay.
solo.
Jay, look at the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on Marnie, please. Boost.
Takinan niya, Marnie.
Kill Marnie, please. Kill Marnie. Nakamark yan, boys. Nahil pa. Yo, wait, be careful na choke.
Go.
Nice kill.
Oh, Marnie's dead.
Wala nang J,
Marnie's dead.
Walk in.
Marnie
Wala nang J. Ready. Walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Damage inside. Inside. More damage. Finish the kills.
Kilson BBD.
Yo, be careful. Walk in on Smashel.
Kilson Huyo. Kilson Huyo.
Pressure. More pressure. Dito ang solve them. 10 seconds they can engage. Yo, engage on top of us. Ready. Look at the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. This is huge. Wipe them here, boys.
Nice.
Wipe them here, boys, please. More damage. GG's. Oh, GG's. Keep rolling.
No GG. It's not hit.
Keep rolling. No GC calls.
Hilson Haya now.
Be careful on the chop, please. Be careful. Base na nila yan, ha. Be careful.
Oh, they can look. Smash on looking.
Be careful. Looking. Be careful.
It's looking now.
Okay.
Okay, that's a fake. This one is real.
Go ready. On top of me.
Okay, they have no engage now.
Na J.
Then wait out G.
Buhay pa ako, mama, ha? Yo,
Gonna Hilson Haya now.
Be careful, huwag na kayo makiat dyan, boys. Base nila yan, please. Base nila yan. Yo, kiss na bills inside. Look at Marnie. Kiss na bills
They're looking now.
Looking. Okay, that's a
King.
fake. Yeah, that's a fake.
Fake. Still engaged.
Yeah, that's a fake only. Wala ka na tayong G, ha? Wait. Yo, ready, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Just in this case.
Sorry, Naya.
Okay lang, okay.
Can you fight?
Yeah, come back. Yeah, too far. Yo, behind me. Come behind me. Go behind me. Come on, win.
10 seconds, right?
They can engage now. They're looking.
Yeah, they're looking now.
Nasa full engage.
Nice defensive.
Yo, ready. Nice J. You're ready. Walking. Ready, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. More damage. Wait. Come back.
Takinan niya, Marnie.
Brawl Marnie, boys. Look at Marnie.
Hindi tayo makapatay dito, guys. Nasa base eh. Pwede, hila nyo na lang. Tom.
Yo, just inside. Tingnan nyo sila, let me fly. Brawl on them, boys. Uy,
They're looking now.
Lagyan na si Chambi. Look at Chambi.
Now?
The healer. Look at me, the healer.
That's real. Let's engage.
This is Chambi. Kill the healer, boys.
Look at Chambi now. Look at Chambi. I'm gonna lock her up after Soldier, okay? Lock up now.
Okay.
Oh no, Purity.
God, nabuhay pa yun, boy. Wala tayo nag-engage kay Chambi. Oh my God, kasi nabisan this guy. Pacquiao, look at Pacquiao. Nag-ina yun si Chambi papasok. What a play.
Let me flash.
Yeah,
Look at me, flash.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No Soldier. No blink.
Nagbig. Wait.
Hila mo na to.
Let's
Hindi
get
tayo
on the choke.
makapatay ganito.
They're looking.
It's really hard.
Yeah, come southwest.
Okay. Lock.
Cut. Work club, cut.
Kahit boys, please. Kahit. Bigyan natin ng space. Ang hirap maglaro dyan, boy. Mahirap maglaro dyan.
They
Give them
engage.
Okay,
space.
Hilson Haya here.
Nice J. Yo, ready. Look at Chambi again. No, we again. Chambi in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Chambi again.
GG.
Look at Chambi. I'm gonna mark this. Oh, my
Oh, GG. I call him GG.
God. Oh, GG.
Okay.